Hello everyone, I am Nasir Khan and welcome to a heartwarming adventure with Boundless Roads. In today's special journey, we're setting out on a farewell trip to honor our incredible outreach workers who tirelessly supported us over the years. We're heading to Jalo Gudar, a scenic gem in Swat Valley, where we'll celebrate their dedication with good food, breathtaking landscapes, and moments that remind us of life's simple joys. This farewell party is our way of saying thank you to those who have stood by us through thick and thin. So, join us for a day filled with laughter, tradition, and beauty as we commemorate our team's hard work and friendship. Our journey kicks off in the vibrant town of Kanju, where every corner teems with life and energy. The streets of Kanju are bustling as usual, with vendors calling out to customers, children playing, and families gathering in local shops. Kanju's lively ambience sets a warm and enthusiastic tone as we prepare for our trip. We need to gather some essentials for the big farewell celebration. And our first stop is the butcher's shop to pick up fresh meat. The excitement of the journey fills the air as we head out with a clear purpose celebrating the people who've supported us unconditionally. Not far from Kanju Chowk, we arrive at the butcher shop, a staple in every traditional celebration. Today, we're ordering a hefty 30 kilos of fresh meat, knowing that a feast awaits the 50 to 60 people we'll host at Jalo Gudar. Watching the butcher expertly slice and prepare the meat, I'm reminded of how important food is in bringing people together. With our supplies in tow, we're ready to hit the road. This meat will be the main ingredient in the traditional dish we'll prepare later, and I can already picture everyone gathered around enjoying the fruits of our labor. Today's journey wouldn't be the same without my trusty companions, Kamran, Sajid, and Ikram. These friends and colleagues have become family over the years, sharing not just our work but the many journeys and memories that come with. As we set off, there's a sense of camaraderie and joy that only grows with each mile. Kamran is a natural leader, Sajid has an infectious enthusiasm, and Ikram keeps us grounded with his steady calmness. Together, we make a team that's ready to honor our outreach workers and embrace every part of this special day. Leaving Kanju behind, we embark on a picturesque 40-kilometer drive that takes us through 18 to 20 villages, each with its own charm and character. Swat Valley opens up before us, revealing vast green fields, charming traditional homes, and local vendors showcasing their crafts and produce. It's a route that offers glimpses into the lives of those who call this valley home, where traditions are preserved and nature reigns supreme. The views are mesmerizing with mountains in the background and vibrant patches of farmland stretching as far as the eye can see. This scenic drive through Swat Valley reminds us why this place is often called the Switzerland of the East. Our first stop is Sherpalam, a village known for its beautiful peach orchards. Located in Upper Swat, Sherpalam is a place where nature and agriculture harmonize, creating an ambience of peace and beauty. Rows upon rows of peach trees fill the landscape, with fruit hanging like little jewels amidst the green leaves. Here, we take a moment to soak in the scenery and enjoy the freshness of the mountain air. Sher Palam is the perfect reminder of Swat's rich agricultural heritage and the hardworking communities that thrive here. From Sher Palam, we continue our journey entering Tehsil Mata, a place that holds its own unique allure. Mata's landscape is dotted with traditional homes, and the streets are alive with locals dressed in vibrant traditional attire. There's a sense of history woven into the very fabric of this area, where every structure and every face seems to tell a story of resilience and pride. Passing through Mata, we feel closer to our destination, both physically and emotionally, as excitement builds for the celebration that awaits us. A few kilometers down the road, we stop in Ishari village, a quaint spot with fields of fresh produce and friendly locals. Here, we meet up with colleagues who've been coordinating the cooking supplies, ensuring everything's ready for our big meal. Ishari is a place where time seems to stand still, offering tranquility and a chance to connect with the essence of Swat Valley. We buy some fruit from local vendors, supporting the village economy and gathering ingredients that will add freshness to our meal. Surrounded by green fields and warm smiles, we take a moment to appreciate the simple beauty of village life. Finally, we arrive at Jalo Gudar, a destination that feels like a hidden paradise nestled within Swat Valley. Jalo Gudar is a secluded haven with dense forests, towering mountains, and the crystal clear Swat River winding its way through the landscape. The beauty of this place is astounding. The air is crisp, the water shimmers in the sunlight, and an ancient chinar tree stands as a silent witness to the passage of time. It's the perfect backdrop for today's celebration, offering a sense of calm and beauty that feels almost surreal. This hidden gem in Swat is the ideal place to honor our team's hard work and dedication. With the beauty of Jalo Gudar as our backdrop, it's time to get started on the feast. Today, we're cooking Dampukht, a traditional dish that's a staple at gatherings and celebrations in this region. The process begins with carefully cutting the meat we picked up earlier into smaller pieces, which we'll layer with 5 kilos of potatoes, onions, green chilies, salt, ginger, and a blend of local spices. Everything goes into a large pressure cooker, big enough to accommodate the feast we have planned. The ingredients blend to create a rich, aromatic dish that's perfect for sharing with friends and family. With the dampuk cooking away, the delicious aroma begins to fill the air. Adding to the ambience of this natural setting, the outdoor cooking setup brings a rustic charm to the meal, connecting us to the traditional way of cooking that's been passed down through generations. We place the cooker on a sturdy stove, knowing it'll take about an hour and a half for the flavors to melt together perfectly. As we wait, we take the opportunity to explore our surroundings and enjoy the serene beauty that makes Jalo Gudar so special. While the Dampukht cooks, we wander around Jalo Gudar, taking in the breathtaking landscape that surrounds us. The Swat River flows with a gentle clarity, reflecting the towering mountains and the lush green of the trees. This ancient chinar tree nearby feels like a silent guardian of the valley, its branches stretching wide as if to welcome us. Scattered around the river are persimmon trees, adding a pop of color to the scenery. It's a place where nature thrives undisturbed, offering a quiet respite from the rush of daily life. Today's celebration is all about showing gratitude to our outreach workers who have been pillars of support over the past 2 years. These individuals have gone above and beyond, working tirelessly to make a difference in the community. To honor their dedication, we present them with certificates of appreciation, a small token to recognize the impact they've had. Each person has been more than just a colleague, they've become true friends. This farewell party is a way for us to express our heartfelt thanks, and the smiles on their faces make every moment worthwhile. At last, the dampukht is ready, and the smell alone is enough to bring everyone together. We serve it with fresh chutney, salad, and the fruit we picked up early. There's something truly special about sharing a meal outdoors, surrounded by nature and the people who mean the most to us. The dampukht is a hit, and as we dig in, laughter and conversation fill the air. This meal is more than just food, it's a celebration of friendship, hard work, and the simple pleasures that make life meaningful. Before we wrap up the day, we gather for a group photo, capturing this moment of joy, camaraderie, and gratitude. The day has been filled with laughter, good food, and memories that we'll all carry with us long after we leave. This group photo is a memento of the time spent together in one of the most beautiful places on earth, a reminder of the bonds we formed and the gratitude we feel for one another. As the sun sets on our day at Jalo Gudar, we take a moment to reflect on the importance of life's simple pleasures. In a world filled with endless stress and demands, it's essential to step back, reconnect with friends, and make time for what truly matters. Taking a day each month to enjoy nature, cook together, and share a meal reminds us of the joy that lies in these little moments. Today has been a perfect example of that joy, and as we prepare to leave, we're grateful for the memories made and the friendships strengthened. Thank you for joining us on this memorable farewell celebration with Boundless Roads. Today's journey through Swat Valley has shown us the beauty of nature, the value of friendship, and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay connected with us for more journeys. Until next time, get out, explore, and live life to the fullest. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.